Tired of exorbitant roaming fees and the hassle of physical SIM cards when you travel? Airalo provides a seamless solution. eSIMs. Today, we'll walk you through how to buy, activate, and install an eSIM on Airalo, so you can stay connected wherever you go. First, download the Airalo app from your app store, open it, and search for the country you're traveling to. You'll see a range of eSIM packages with varying data allowances and validity periods. Choose the one that best suits your needs and tap on it. Review the details carefully, then click Buy Now to purchase the eSIM. You'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Complete the purchase using your preferred payment method. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email and your eSIM is ready to activate. Now, to activate, go to the My eSIM section in the app and tap on the eSIM you just purchased. Tap on Installation Guide. Airalo offers different installation methods depending on your device: direct, manual, or QR code. Choose the one that's easiest for you. Follow the step-by-step instructions provided for your chosen method. Generally, this involves scanning a QR code or manually entering the eSIM details into your phone's mobile data settings. Once installed, go to your phone's mobile data settings and select your new Airalo eSIM as your data source. Enable data roaming for the eSIM if prompted, and just like that, you're connected. Enjoy seamless and affordable data access while you travel with Airalo. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel tips.